Welcome back, class 7. Today we will begin new chapter number 9. Its name is percentage and its application. So for that we need to know what is percent. Percent means per 100. It means here one example. Suppose Rahul obtained 92 marks out of 100 in English. Then we say that he has obtained 92% mark in English. Similarly, if there is a box containing 100 bulbs, out of which 10 bulbs are defective, so we say that 10% of bulb in box are defective. Thus, percent means per 100. Same as 14% will be written as 14%, and this is the sign of percent. 100 part, it means out of 100 equal parts, each part is known as its 100 part. For example, 8 upon 100 equal to 8 hundredths. Now here percentage. Percentage of fraction with denominator equal to 100. It means this is our percentage. The word percent is derived from Latin word percentum, meaning per 100 or out of 100. Clear? Now here we will discuss about how we will convert fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction, percentage to ratio, percentage into ratio, ratio into percentage, percentage into decimal, and decimal into percentage. So here first is conversion of fraction into percentage. So how we'll convert? See carefully. This is one fraction is given. When we want to convert this in percentage, we will 100 to numerator. We will multiply 100 to numerator. Okay, and we will use this sign. Now see carefully, when we will use this sign, in that condition when we will divide this 100 by this 4, we got here 25, and 25 when we multiply 25 with 3, we got 75%. It means we can say that 3 by 4 equal to 75%. Same as here, conversion to percentage into fraction. Now here percentage is given. When we will remove this symbol, we can write this as 40 upon 100. Now when we divide, we got here 2 by 5. Same as here, conversion into percentage ratio. In this case, we will remove this percentage sign. After removing this, we will try to make that fraction in this simplest form, and the simplest form is called ratio. Here this percentage is equal to 14 ratio 25. Okay, same as here it is 55%. We have to convert this percent into ratio. In this, firstly we will remove this sign and we will write 100 as denominator. After that, we will try to make that fraction in simplest form, and the simplest form numerator and ratio we will find, and we will write them like this: numerator, ratio, denominator. Okay, now conversion of ratio into percentage. See here ratio is given 3 by 3 ratio 4. We can write 3 ratio 4 like 3 by 4, and we will multiply. When we multiply, in that case we will divide, and when we divide, we got 75%. Okay, same as here, conversion of percentage into decimal. Now see carefully, this percentage is given here, and when we remove this sign, we got 100 as denominator, and when we divide this, we got this decimal. Okay, same as here, decimal is given. When we remove this decimal, we got 100 in multiplication. When we got 100 in multiplication, because जब भी हम परसेंटेज लगाते हैं, इट्स मीन परसेंट जो हमारा अपॉन में होना चाहिए ना, अपॉन में आता है, तो अपॉन में हमें 100 करने के लिए क्या करना होगा? मल्टीप्लाई भी करना होगा. ओके, तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड वी गॉट द आंसर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू द एक्सरसाइज. सो हियर this is our exercise 9.1. Question number 1 is saying that convert each of the following into fraction. Here it is given 5%. 5%. When we remove this percent sign, we got 100 as denominator, and we will write 5 on the upper side. And we know that 5 1s are 5 and 5 20s are 100. Thus we can say that 5% equal to 1 by 20, and this is our fraction and this is our percent. Thus we have changed this percentage into fraction. Same as you will solve, एक second, one more question I will solve for you. 5 1 by 4%. Now firstly we will write this mixed fraction in improper. We know that 4 5s are 20, 20 and 1 21, 21 by 4. Now percent. Now what we will do? We will write 21 and 4, and we will remove this percent sign. We will write 100 in denominator. Now it became 21 by 400, and this is the simplest form. So we can say that 5 and 4 by 1 by 4% equal to 21 by 400, and thus we have changed this percent in fraction. Same as we will solve C, D and E. अब D और E में डेसिमल है, फर्स्टली रिमूव करेंगे इन डेसिमल्स को. ओके, तो अपॉन में हमारा 100 आ जाएगा. चलो एक मैं ये भी करके दिखाती हूँ आप लोग को. 8 D नंबर 0.08%. Now see carefully. Firstly, we will remove this decimal. So for removing this decimal, firstly we will remove this percent. Okay, when we remove this percent, we got 0.08 upon 100. Okay, after removing this percentage sign, जब हम इस remove करते हैं percentage signs को, तो हम लोग denominator 100 write कर लेते हैं. Now see carefully. How many digit after decimal from the right side? 1 2 2 है ना, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 100 से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, बिकॉज 100 हैज 2 0 एंड 100 से डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई देम वी गॉट हियर 8 अपॉन 100 मल्टीप्लाई 100. ओके, क्योंकि जब हम इस 100 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 0.8 से, वी गॉट हियर 8. आफ्टर दैट सी केयरफुली, वी नो दैट 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100 and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Thus we got here 1 and here 25 5s are 125 and 0 remaining as here. Thus this is the answer. Now in this case we can write here 0.08% equal to 1 by 1250. Thus we have changed this percentage into ratio, sorry, into fraction. Same as you will solve C and D. Okay, C and E you will solve same as I have solved. Now convert each of the following fraction into a percentage. So for that I have copied your question. See carefully. We will multiply 3 by 8 with 100. We will multiply 100 with numerator, and here we will write 1 upon %. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि जब भी हम लोग परसेंट को रिमूव करते हैं तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या होना चाहिए, हमारा 100 होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ हमारा डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, 100 है. इसमें हमने 100 से न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई किया है और 100 से हमने डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई किया. बट जो डिनोमिनेटर वाला 100 है ना, तो ये परसेंट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, and here we will write 3 multiply 100 and here 8. Clear? Now we know that 4 2s are 8 and 4 25s are 75 and here 2. After that we will convert this fraction into mixed fraction, and it will be 37 and 1 by 2, and this is the answer. Thus we can say that 3 by 8 fraction equal to 37 1 by 2 ratio. 1 by 2%. परसेंटेज साइन आया. परसेंटेज साइन का मतलब होता है कि जो अपॉन में 100 होता है. इसमें हमने यहाँ पे अपने 3 न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को ही हमने 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था. क्लियर? नाउ हियर सी केयरफुली. 1 and 3 by 5. So firstly we will convert this fraction into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5 and 3 8. 8 by 5. So here for converting this we will multiply with numerator and we will use परसेंटेज साइन. परसेंट मीन्स अपॉन में 100 होता है. ओके तो ये इक्वल हो गया. नाउ 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10 और भी कैंसिल है. 5 20 जा 100. नाउ 20 एंड 8 की मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वी गॉट 160. 28 जा 160%. Thus we can say that 1 and 3 by 5 equal to 160%. And this is answer. Same as we will solve B, C, D, E. And send me pic of your homework. Thank you.